I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by moving straight to the nearest FIB site. Get a fast vehicle so you can reposition quickly. Once in range, park off-road to avoid attracting NPC attention, then switch to a silenced weapon for quieter encounters. Make sure to open the interaction menu and check your map marker so you know the exact perimeter. This minimizes wasted time. You're already in motion. Approach the site on foot and scan for patrols before entering any fenced or restricted areas. You now move methodically through the compound, using cover and crouch walking to reduce detection. Take out isolated guards silently to keep alarms off. Once inside, search marked terminals and vehicles for documents or evidence. Check rooftops and vents for hidden cases or laptop bags. Use the interaction wheel or quick pickup to ensure items are logged to your inventory. This saves time and prevents missed evidence. If you find a locked door, look for nearby switches or keycards on bodies. You finish by extracting to your vehicle and driving to a safe drop-off to upload or store recovered files. This secures the mission reward. If an alarm triggers, don't push in. Retreat to a safe distance. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until heat dies down, then re-enter cautiously. If items seem missing, reload the area or session and recheck high spots like rooftops and service yards. Make sure to verify bodies and trunk spaces, since some items spawn in small containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.